Hello everyone, this is Shivangi ma'am here. I'm here to teach Standard 2 Science Chapter 2, okay? And chapter name is Plants Gives Us. So this chapter includes whatever we get from plants, okay? So I hope the question answer and word meaning work I provided of previous chapter, you all have completed it in your copy. So अच्छे से आप उसे complete करो. When school will resume, I will do the checking work, okay? So let's get started with the chapter. Take out page number 14 and 15. Some plants are useful for us. We get many things from them. So we all know that some of kind of plants which is very useful for us, like we get food from plants, we get vegetables, fruits and everything from plants, okay? Most of our food comes from plants. Most of our foods, that all comes from plants. Wood for our pencil comes from plants. Wood, that our pencil is made up of what? A black graphite which is inside the pencil, and the outer covering is made up of wood, okay? So that lead, Lead, that lead is made up of coal, that is graphite, okay? And the outer part is made up of wood, वो लकड़ी से बना होता है, okay? That also we get from plants. The paper we write on, that also comes from plants. The paper you write, whatever, this paper also, that also comes from plants, okay? The many medicines, oils and clothes come from plants. Apart from food, apart from wood, most of the things also, like medicine, oil and these things also come from plants, okay? So in total we get a lot of things from plants, and directly or indirectly we are totally dependent on plants, okay? Now first we'll read about what plants gives us as a food के रूप में हमें क्या क्या मिलता है plants से. So plants gives us fruits and nuts. Fruits as in banana, papaya, apple, orange. So these are the fruits that we get from plants. Plants also gives us like nuts also. Nuts as in walnut, अखरोट, वो भी हमें plant से ही मिलता है. Plants gives us vegetables. We eat the stems, roots and leaves of some plants. So plants से हमें vegetables भी मिलता है. Vegetables also we get from plants, and we also eat the root part, the stem part and the leaves part of the plant as a food, as a vegetable. Like sugarcane, this is the stem of the plant. Turnip and carrot, it's a root. Cabbage and spinach are the leaves of the plant. So these are the parts of the plant that we eat as a food, okay? Plants gives us food grains like cereals and pulses. The food grains that we get from plants, that are known as pulses and cereals, okay? So we get cereals from plants as wheat and rice. Wheat जो गेहूं का आटा होता है, गेहूं, और rice, चावल, that also we get. These are called cereals and we get it from plants. दाल जैसे, pulses जैसे मसूर, मूंग, these all are pulses that we get from plants. Plants gives us fiber. So we read about the food part, like fruit, vegetables and pulses and cereals. These are the eatable things that we get from plants. Now we'll read about the thing we use, like cloth. Plants gives us fibers for making cloth, sacks, ropes and mats, okay? So we get what? Fibers from the plants, from which we make what? We make cloth, okay? Like from cotton, cotton cloth is there that we get from cotton plant, and fiber from the jute plant is used to make sacks, ropes and mats. So from jute plants also we get fibers. From that fiber we make what? Mat and ropes, okay? Now plants gives us food. So whichever things we wear or we use also, that also we get from plants. Now plants also gives us wood, okay? This wood is to make pencil, chair, table, door and windows. You can see around you that chair, now chair, table or door, and these are the things that is made up from wood, and wood we get from plants. Plants gives us firewood for cooking food. So we also get firewood, that from that we cook food. Okay, so in cooking food also this plants helps us. Plant gives us oil. Seeds, nuts and fruits gives us oil. So oil is used to make food, and that oil also we get from plants. We cook food in oil. Okay, we use oil to make soap and shampoo also. So whatever you use as soap and shampoo, that also is made up of what? That also is made up of oil, and that we get from plants. While cooking oil, which cooking oil is used in your home? So you will fill this blank, from which cooking oil does your mama makes food. So now plants gives us paper, gum and rubber. These things also helps us in our daily life. Plants also gives us paper, gum and rubber. So these are also the things which we use in our daily lives, and that also we get from plants. Like paper is made from bamboo tree. You all have seen the paper is made from that bamboo tree. Rubber is made from the juice of the rubber tree. There is a rubber tree, and the rubber which that eraser one, that also comes from the plant, from the rubber tree. The juice that releases from the rubber tree, that juice is what it makes the rubber. Gum is made from the juice of the kikar tree. The gum you use to stick things, that also comes from plant, and the name of the tree is kikar tree. Okay, you can see here this bamboo. Paper is made from this bamboo tree. Rubber is made from this juice of the rubber tree, and gum is made from the juice of the kikar tree. Okay, so we get what? Now we'll read about the medicine that we get from plants. Okay, plants also gives us medicines like quinine and penicillin. So this is the two medicine. This is an example of two medicines, and tulsi leaves are used to cure colds and coughs. So tulsi leaves. Tulsi is also a plant, and whenever you have cold or cough, if you take tulsi leaves inside your mouth, then it will get cured. मतलब वो ठीक हो जाएगा. Okay. Certain parts of plants like amla, haldi and aloe vera too are used as medicine. So these like amla, haldi, aloe vera, these also are kind of medicine that we get from plants. So पहले के टाइम में डायरेक्टली प्लांट्स यूज किए जाते थे किसी भी लोगों को जिनकी तबीयत खराब रहती थी, उनकी तबीयत सही करने के लिए, टू ट्रीट द इल पर्सन. और अभी तो उन सब चीज़ों का रिफॉर्म करके अब मेडिसिन बनाई जाती है, द टैबलेट्स यू ईट. लेकिन पहले जो जड़ी बूटियां, जो हर्ब्स एंड हर्ब्स होते थे, दे आर व्हाट डायरेक्टली पीपल इनटेक व्हेन दे वर इल. ओके, plants gives us coffee, tea and sugar. So tea, coffee, sugar also we get from plants. Like you see when people make tea, that the tea leaf, the chai patti, that also comes from plants. Coffee also comes from plants, and chini, sugar, that also comes from plants. Okay, plants also gives us perfumes. Like we can see here that a lot of things that we use in our daily lives, everything that is there, we get it from plants. Perfume as sweet smelling flowers like rose and jasmine gives us perfumes. The flowers which smell beautiful, from that also what people make would take out that fragrance and make perfume from that. Okay, some more uses of plants. Plants clean the air and keep it fresh. Plants also clean the air and keep it fresh. जो air है हमारे surrounding में, plants make that air clean, pure and fresh for us. Trees and plants make our home look beautiful. Also, trees and plants, when we that are also used to decorate our homes to look beautiful. Okay, we should grow trees near our houses. We can collect fallen flowers and leaves to put in flower vases. So most of the trees, also we should grow trees near our houses so that we can get pure and fresh air. We can collect fallen flowers and leaves to put in flower vases. So we should not pluck the flower or leaves, because plants also are living beings and they also get hurt. So we should not pluck the leaves and flowers of the plant, but whatever fallen is there, whatever fallen leaves or flowers are there, we can take it and put in our vases to look beautiful. A green world is a beautiful world. A green world is a looks that looks very beautiful, so we should keep it green. Okay, so now this chapter is completed. The word meaning and the question answer work I'll provide you through WhatsApp group. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.